Hi, I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor, and today we're going to continue with our series, How Do I Use This Thing? The weighted bar. So maybe you've seen this before in the gym, or this is actually something you could buy if you can't find any dumbbells or free weights to buy, because I know they've been hard to get. You can maybe get a weighted bar. This is a 6-pound bar. I've got one here that's a 12, and they come in all different kinds of weights. So I'm going to show you just a few examples. Of course, you could do this standing as well. So you could just do regular, bicep curls. Oh, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what equipment maybe that you've seen and that you want me to do a video on. But we've got back to our bicep curls. Anything that you do with regular weights, you can use this weighted bar for, like a shoulder press you can do. You could do lunges, with overhead. You would just keep overhead and then you go into your lunges or your squats, or you could kind of hold it on your back. You could hold it here in the front and just do any of your normal body weight exercises, but use this bar. It'll make it so much harder. Then the last one I want to show you is a great ab you can do. So you'll do this right on the floor, if you didn't have a bench. And all you're going to do is you would row to the one side, come up, row to the other. So on a bench you can get, a little more range of motion. But if not, I've also done this on the floor where you're just kind of going back and forth, back and forth. So I hope you enjoyed that little suggestion of what you can use a weighted bar for. I think you guys will love this. I'll see you guys next time.